Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is, data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata, descriptors, or annotations to provide context, meaning or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled datasets and can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories, such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification labels, sentiment analysis labels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process, facilitating collaboration among annotators and enabling the creation of high-quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any special skills, you can earn money, guys, on Fiverr through data annotations. Involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. The only thing you have to do is simple: create a Fiverr account and start offering your services. As you can see here, we have um, a small number of offers and results, offers comparing with other services. So let's see what we have here. Um, let's see these services. We have here the logo design. As you can see, over 240,000 of results. That means over 240 offers. Here we have the competition is really strong. Let's see another one, for example, Bread, Voice, and Stew. As you can see, this one is articles and blogs posts. It's on writing and translating. We have here over 51,000 of results. 51 thousand plus 51,000 of offers. So it's really competitive numbers, strong numbers. So comparing with data annotation services. So to start as a data annotators, you can just go open your web browser and then type fiverr.com or fiverr.com, and then it will lead you to this home page. So this is it. You can just click over here, AI services, or you can scroll down and choose data, and here we have data annotation and data analysis. So you can just click over here, data annotation, and it will lead you to these offers. So you don't have to need any advanced coding skills. If we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering the services. And as you can see, the minimum amount is $5. We have here $15. We have here $10, and why not? You can find $100 too. So it's depend on how much services you need or how much bounding boxes you offer and how much time you will finish this job. So to more understand, we will just select over here, for example, that one. As you can see, here we have as a data annotators, have here the title. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. So here we have the number of how much people or how much job get so far. So as a data annotators, it will be your task is labeling items, images as example, videos by marking this object or drawing circles, um, squares around them. For the charge, it's for the basic one, $5 for 400 bounding boxes and delivery in one day. For this one, $40 for 3,600 bounding boxes and delivery in 2 days. And for the premium one is $125 for 10,000 bounding boxes and delivery in 6 days. So even the offers it's the same, but you should know and be sure that this information it's really depend on the one who make offers. So it's really a total difference to one to another freelancer. So it depends how much you need and how much bounding boxes you will get in a certain time, and also how much amount you will select or you will choose. So let's see another example to understand. So that one for the premium, it's the same number for the previous example, but it's not the same amount. As you can see here, there is $200 for 10,000 pound boxes, but in 5 days delivery. That one in 6 days delivery. So it's depend on how much time you need as a freelancer. So you can just earn data annotation by learning the basic thing or basic information by there's a lot of platform you can learn from it, and there's other platform as Fiverr. Here we have AudioB, it's for audio data. You can just click over here, became a freelancer, and you will start as a freelancer. Then you will get a job, and then you will get your money. And the other platform, for example, it's Toluca. You can just click Toluca, and then you will click on login, then you will select I'm ready to earn money, then you will click over here and you will sign up with Google or with Facebook, then you will start as a freelancer. It's the same thing. So these three platforms that I show you, it's just an example. There's a lot of platform you can start as a freelancer and you can earn money without any special or without any advanced coding skills. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.